There's no stress when it comes to foiling if you're using the Foil Magic Shim from Tailored Expressions. This shim is the perfect tool to elevate your toner foil crafting. It's made of a flexible epoxy laminate material, and the shim material conducts the heat of your foiling machine directly to your foil and cardstock. In addition to the superior heat conduction, the shim will provide added pressure and ensure smooth and consistent foiling results. When you use it, you'll place the shim into your plastic carrier folder and use one of our Foil It pre-printed panels next. Place the foil on top with the pretty side up and send this sandwich through your Minc machine. When it comes through the other side, it might be a little hot because of that superior heat conduction, so if you need, you can grab our mini mitts to keep your fingers safe. I like to let my design cool for about 30 seconds before I peel back the foil to reveal the perfect toner transfer. Use the Tailored Expressions Foil Magic Shim with our entire collection of Foil It panels and your favorite heat transfer foils.